AI is everywhere, literally. It writes code, edits videos, and now, well, it wants to trade your money for you. But here's the big question. Are AI trading bots actually worth it, or are they just another overhyped promise in a shiny UI? AI trading bots sound magical. Plug it in, go to sleep, and wake up richer. That's the dream they sell. But here's the truth. Most of these bots don't actually think. They follow preset strategies, trend signals, or basic algorithms. Yeah, some use machine learning, but that doesn't make them psychic. So, do AI trading bots actually work? Well, some do, especially when markets are trending or super volatile. They don't get emotional, they don't second guess themselves. They spot patterns, enter trades in milliseconds, and can grind profits out of moves you'd miss. But here's the reality check. They're not magic, they're not set it and forget it, and they definitely don't understand context like a human does. They can overtrade like crazy in sideways or choppy markets, misread price action after big news drops or sudden spikes, or worse, tank your account if you haven't fine-tuned the risk settings. So yeah, you won't just plug it in and start printing Lambos. It's more like plug it in, pray it doesn't freak out, and monitor it like a hawk. But let's be real, if you're a total beginner, these bots won't turn you into Warren Buffett. In fact, without knowing risk management, you're more likely to lose money than make it. You won't know why a trade failed and you'll blame the bot when it was actually you. But if you're someone who already understands trading and you're looking to automate parts of your strategy, like taking profit, trailing stops, or sniping entries, then yeah, bots can help. Just don't treat them like a replacement for learning. They're more like a co-pilot rather than a full-on autopilot. You still need to know where you're flying. Now, very importantly, these are some red flags to watch out for. Any bot promising guaranteed profits, just run. No control or visibility over what it's doing, big no. No user community or support, that's sketchy. Good bots explain their logic. Bad ones just ask for your API key and ghost you when it blows up. So yeah, AI trading bots are tools, not magic ones. Used right, they can help. Used blindly, they'll wipe you out faster than you can say liquidation.